This is the DIY Magician, and I'm back with another fun puppet project. That's right, we're going to make a puppet stand using a wooden chair leg and a scrap of wood. This project is as easy as they come. You're going to take the chair leg. I use the part with the holes on it, and in fact these I find on the side of the road all the time. You take the base part off, you take apart the bottom and you just break it off, and you've got all these little bits and pieces there. That's okay because you're going to cut it just like this. Took the leg off, flat, ready to go. Ground this down in a grinder, but you can use a file or sandpaper, what have you. You're going to take your piece of wood, you're going to center it. I usually eyeball it. It's just a basic little prop here. You take your pencil, you trace a line around the outside of the post. So now you've got the center right there. You can't see it, but it's there. You take your drill, you find the center, like so. You find the center of your little peg here. I cheated, I pre-drilled it. And using the bottom and probably a 2-inch screw, you start it with your drill gun. Just so it peeks out a little bit. You put it right in the post and you finish it off. Just like that, and you're done. It's that simple. In fact, all you have to do now is put your puppet on top. And look at that. A good way to display your hand puppets. That's right, it's an easy DIY puppet project. It's a puppet stand from scrap wood. Thank you again for joining us. This is the DIY Magician. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.